Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Tuesday, May 21st. It is the 141st day of the year. There are 224 days left. Happy National Memo Day!
Each year on May 21st, we recognize National Memo Day. We will send you a reminder just in case you forget. A memo, short for memorandum, is a document or other communication intended to inform a group of people about a specific topic. Usually used in an office setting, memos serve a variety of purposes. A memo may be a note, email, or other record made for future use. It is produced as a written message, especially in business or diplomacy. These missives also have gained a bad reputation by slipping into the wrong hands. In the modern world, that means shared infinitely on social media. The observance aims to reduce the number of memos issued in the workplace. It also hopes that memo writers keep their messages brief and to the point. Develop your memo writing skills. Reduce the number of memos you send. If you never send memos, maybe send a memo to celebrate the day with tips and suggestions. Don't forget to summarize your message. Today is also National Strawberries and Cream Day, National Waiters and Waitresses Day, Talk Like Yoda Day, and World Meditation Day. Okay, National Dayers, let's make a mini notebook that we can write our memos in. Gather the following supplies. You'll need white and colored paper, scissors, glue, and markers. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take that white paper and you're going to fold it into quarters lengthwise. So the long way, fold it in half, and then fold it half again. And then you want to cut it on those 3 folds so you end up with 4 strips of the same size of paper. Now you're going to accordion fold those strips about 1.5 inches to 2 inches wide, back and forth and back and forth. And when you get to the end, glue the next strip and then keep going back and forth, glue back and forth until you have done that with all 4 of the strips. Now you want to open it back up again, and you want to take your glue and you want to run it all along one side of the strip. So cover that whole side with glue and then fold it back together and press it together really good. Then using your scissors, you want to trim 3 sides, the 2 short sides and 1 long side so they're all even. And then take your colored paper, measure the width of your notepad that you just made, and you want to cut the paper to what you would need to cover the book. And then you're going to glue the book to the inside of the cover. You can do that by doing the inside edge and then measuring and then gluing, however you want to do it to make sure that the cover wraps all the way around the edge of the book. Trim off any extra paper you have left over, and now you can decorate your notebook however you would like. I liked to do a smiley face because I thought it was super cute. Now, you have a mini notebook to take with you. You could make some for your friends and share memos on this amazing National Memo Day.
Okay, National Dayers. We have our cute little notebook right here. Look at how great it is. I'm super excited. I don't know if I'm going to write in it or I'm going to give it to a friend. I might need to take a memo. Keep smiling. Have a terrific Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. Our shoutouts today start us off with Miss Clayton and all those super conks in the high school self-contained program at Kentwood High School in Covington, Washington. Next up is Ms. Karina, Miss Jen, Ms. Laura, and Miss Claudia, and everyone in the RCOE Autism program at Desert Mirage High School in Thermal, California. Third up today is Mrs. O'Barr and Mrs. Wyatt and everyone in the structured teaching classroom 5th through 8th grade at the SNS Middle School in Sadler, Texas. Next up is Ms. Benson, Ms. Jennifer, Ms. Allen, and Mr. Cole, and everyone in the high school comprehensive unit program at Rufus King High School in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Next up, Valerie, Aaron, and Dan, and everyone in the lifelong learning program at Pathways Sarnia in Sarnia, Ontario, Canada. Sixth up today is Ms. B, Ms. Bethany, and Ms. Bailey, and everyone in the high school self-contained program at Tippecanoe High School in Tipp City, Ohio. And our seventh shout out today goes out to Mrs. Stevens, Ms. Barb, Ms. Kaylee, and Ms. Kristen, and everyone in the Applied Skills grades 9 through 12 program at Martinsville High School in Martinsville, Indiana. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. Teachers, our shout-out form is currently closed due to popularity, which is amazing. Thank you for watching, and I will keep you posted when we're taking more shout-out requests. And here it is, your updated, super spectacular shout-out map.